So, hi guys, today I'm gonna show you how to download the game that I have already mentioned in my title, and I can't say the game name and all, and how I'm gonna download it. So, I just when I tried to check my YouTube analytics, I saw that 94.6% people are not followed or they are not subscribed, but only 5% who have been watching my video has been subscribed. As a small YouTuber, I don't know what to say, I don't know what to do. I'm trying to make videos for you all, and I'm trying to solve your all your issues, and I have been putting my 100% in the YouTube career so that I can grow and all, but the response and the subscription is kind of low, and it's kind of demotivating, but I'm sure that one day all small YouTubers like me will rise and will conquer. So I believe in myself. And so guys, welcome back to a new video. So today I'm gonna show you how to download the game that I have mentioned in my title. So this video I won't show how to download it because due to copyright strike and all I can't make the video, and I have already got a one strike in my channel and I can't risk it. And so I'm gonna make this video in my drive. I will upload the video in my drive so that you can know how I download this video. Okay, so watch the video completely from the drive so that, and watch this full video please, so that I can get, if to be frank, I will get some time of watch hour so that it will boost my channel, and the YouTube will recognize. That's why please, 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 I beg you all, so watch the video completely. Okay, bye.